Hey, what's up guys, Millionaire Advice back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to show you how to make money online with the ChatGPT AI bot. That's right, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot that answers your questions, it can also help you make money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm making $252 per day with the ChatGPT AI bot and how you can too. First, let me give you a brief introduction to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model that can answer a wide range of questions in natural language. But that's not all, it also has the ability to learn and understand human behavior, which makes it the perfect tool for online marketing. Here's how I'm making money with the ChatGPT AI bot. I've created a website where people can ask ChatGPT questions related to a particular niche. For example, let's say you have a website about weight loss. People can ask ChatGPT questions like what's the best way to lose weight, or what's the best diet for weight loss, and ChatGPT will provide them with accurate answers. Now, here's where the money-making opportunity comes in. I've partnered with various companies and brands that offer products and services related to weight loss. For example, I've partnered with a weight loss supplement company, a gym equipment company, and a meal delivery service. These companies pay me a commission for every sale that comes through my website. So, when someone asks ChatGPT a question related to weight loss, ChatGPT will provide them with accurate answers and also recommend products and services that can help them achieve their weight loss goals. When someone clicks on one of these links and makes a purchase, I earn a commission. And the best part is that ChatGPT does all the heavy lifting for me. I don't have to do any selling or convincing. ChatGPT provides valuable information and recommendations, and people naturally click on the links to learn more. Now, you might be wondering, how much money can you actually make with this method? Well, it really depends on the niche you choose and the amount of traffic your website gets. But I'm currently making $252 per day on average with my weight loss website. So, that's how you can make money online with the ChatGPT AI bot. It's a simple and effective method that anyone can use to earn extra income. And the best part is that ChatGPT does all the hard work for you. All you have to do is set up your website, partner with the right companies, and let ChatGPT do the rest. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.